Hello everyone, my name is Sean. I am the Crypto Smith. Welcome back to a Metamonkeyai update video where I'm going to go over a little bit of update on the MMAI Pure Wallet and then on the Metaverse as well. Now, MMAI just dropped the newest version of their wallet. Of course, it's only on the Android devices, Samsung and the like. iOS still working on it. They've sent changes to them. It's just a very slow process. It's very frustrating for us that have Apple devices, but we're just going to have to sit and wait for it and allow the Android users and Samsung users out there to have all the fun. So ultimately, in the Pure Wallet, there's going to be 3 different wallets. So obviously, they're going to be used for different things. The first 2 are available now, and that is the Hot Wallet, which is just like any other crypto wallet. You can send crypto, you can receive crypto, hang on to it there. Do whatever you want with it, just like any other wallet. And then the offline wallet is also available. This is the wallet where you can purchase items or make transactions offline in an offline state. Essentially, it makes it sort of a cold storage wallet as well, even though it's not technically cold storage, right? You don't have any access to it via internet or Wi-Fi, which makes it a little safer than hanging on to it in your hot wallet. And it can be accessed through Bluetooth or NFC, near field communication, and only by somebody else who has another Pure Wallet, right? That person you're going to make that transaction with. Now, there is a tiny downside to leaving any crypto inside that offline wallet is that if you happen to lose your phone, since that crypto is now compartmentalized from the rest of your wallet, you won't be able to get that crypto back. So even if you have the seed phrase and all that, and you get upload the app and then you get your wallet back, you're going to end up losing those funds that are in that offline wallet. But you'd only need to put crypto in the offline wallet if you're actually going to make an offline transaction. So that really should keep the risk of loss to an absolute minimum, knowing that you don't really need to store crypto in the offline state. Now, this wallet is its own wallet. It's very own wallet. It's independent. You don't have to connect through MetaMask any longer, right? They've upgraded that, right? We're making steps. We're making progress week by week. And another feature now is that you will be able to on-ramp from fiat to crypto in this wallet. And in order to be able to do that, you're going to have to use a debit card, right? There aren't any credit cards that are allowed. And you're going to have to go through a KYC process. And that KYC process is going to be handled by Transact. This is the company here. They're actually registered and regulated in the UK. They're a pretty decent sized company. What does KYC mean? KYC means know your customer. You normally hear it with another term called AML, which is anti-money laundering. And these really are protocols that are put in place by governments and government agencies to make sure that if you're accessing the banking system, and they want to know who you are, just in case you have some very odd or unusual activity in the banking world and you're moving large amounts of money back and forth. And then, of course, the AML is anti-money laundering. They want to make sure that the money that's being moved isn't for nefarious purposes. Pretty standard stuff, especially for us here in the U.S. So this is a good feature for the wallet. Now, the third wallet that's going to be coming out is the actual cold storage wallet. In order to access that feature on Pure Wallet, you're going to have to hold $50 worth of MMAI tokens. It's just going to sit in your wallet. You're not really staking it because you're not earning anything on it. You just have to hold the tokens in your wallet. That gives you access to the cold storage functionality of the MMAI Pure Wallet. Now, as I said in the beginning, this is only for Android right now. But if you have an Android device or Samsung and you download the wallet and you're using it, you can actually now download it from Google Play to your laptop or your desktop and have access to that wallet through your own computer. And you see here, of course, I can't install it because I don't have the Google account. I don't have a Google phone that I can download the Pure Wallet and enjoy all of these cool features. So now moving on to the website. So the website security has been fixed. It was noted there was a little bit of FUD out there about the security of the site. The site's not collecting any information. It really only has a link to a zip file if you want to download the Metaverse and play with it yourself. Now, this is a beta version Metaverse, but you can download it and you can play around with it all you want. It's super cool. You can make some recommendations, throw it out there to the team and in the Telegram group about what you like to see or what you like about it, what you don't like about it. Right? Everybody's going to listen to suggestions. But I'm going to warn you, you do need a fairly decent computer in order to actually utilize the Metaverse. High graphics, there's a lot of information in there. It's very GPU resource heavy. So that's your graphics card. So if you have a really good graphics card, maybe you got your gaming computer or whatever, then you're probably going to be able to use it. And then you can go in each week and see the different additions that are being made inside this metaverse. Different details that you never noticed before, certain functionality. The Pure Wallet, which I was just talking about, is going to be useful inside this metaverse. You're going to be able to pay for things, NFTs or physical product, and have it actually delivered to your house. And they'll be adding what's known as web in web, or web inside of web. So if you're in this metaverse, you'll have access to, let's say, a search feature, and you'll be able to surf the net inside there, or access different applications, or maybe transfer to a different metaverse from this metaverse. All super cool things. I can't wait to get in and actually play inside of it. Maybe purchase some property of my own, set up a little store. And speaking of e-commerce, MMAI is going to offer a full suite of services to the businesses out there that want to establish e-commerce website on the metaverse, or in the metaverse. What that's going to do is basically offer people like me who don't have the programming knowledge or the ability to set up my own store. They're going to be able to set that store up for you, inventory, APIs for marketing and shipping, things like that. So basically kind of a one-stop shop to help everybody get started whenever they want to put their business inside this metaverse. And also, obviously, an AI assistant inside their store that will help point people to the right products and services and make it kind of a fun and interesting interaction that way as well. So just think, you'll be able to get inside this metaverse. You'll have access to purchase properties, maybe a small business inside of a mall, or maybe a kiosk or something like that, and then offer a service of your own. Maybe you have programming services you're going to offer to people who come and visit this, or you're going to have physical products that you want to sell and actually ship to people, right? All of this is going to be able to be done. Also, don't forget there's going to be the Layer 2 blockchain that is currently being developed, which is going to add some additional utility for the MMAI token. And the NFTs are not even here yet, right? That's supposed to be in the next, I think, 6 months or so. And you'll be able to purchase an NFT, and you'll have access to portions of revenue generated by MMAI, right? I'm looking forward to that. Hopefully you are too. Maybe a little passive income, anyone? Now that's all I've got for you on this update. Check back with me again here in the near future. We're going to have another one. I'm going to drop one of these at least every week, if not more. And then we'll probably talk about it over on my live stream on Saturdays. Hope you've enjoyed the update. And with that, I'll see you guys next time.